Hello, Michigan Realtors. We interrupt your regularly scheduled Letter of the Law programming to bring you a very special reminder of all of the legal resources available to you as Michigan Realtors members. Did you know that your Michigan Realtors membership gives you direct, no-fee access to an attorney who understands the issues you face every day in your business on the Michigan Realtors Legal Hotline? You do not have to be a broker or association executive to use the hotline. All members are welcome to call. Get the information you need to practice your profession wisely and within the confines of the law. Call the legal hotline at 1-800-522-2820. That's 1-800-522-2820. Hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. If the hotline is busy, your call will be sent to voicemail and returned within 24 hours, usually the same day. Again, that number is 1-800-522-2820. Also, be sure to visit the Michigan Realtors Legal Resource page at law.mirealtors.com. There you will have access to the following: the Forms Library, which includes all Michigan Realtor sponsored forms and disclosure publications; the Law Library, which includes a collection of articles and legal update materials published throughout the years and organized in searchable fashion; the Letter of the Law and From the Mailbag videos and transcripts, as well as the most up-to-date Legal Hotline Companion, which includes a compilation of the most common legal questions posed by Realtor members. On behalf of your Michigan Realtors legal team, we encourage you to utilize these member benefits. Based on your feedback, we'll continue to develop legal content and diversify the resources available to the membership. And now, back to our regularly scheduled programming. Hello, Michigan Realtors, and welcome back to another installment of Letter of Law. Today's segment will discuss teams. For purposes of this discussion, we are using the term team to refer to two or more agents within a brokerage firm who advertise under a joint name. For example, the Bob Jones team or the Smith & Jones team. The use of teams within a brokerage firm has become so common that they are often mistaken for separate legal entities. Elsewhere in the business world, it is very common to have a company within a company. For example, a real estate development firm set up as a corporation may have shareholders who are themselves corporations or limited liability companies. Because of the way that real estate license law is set up in Michigan, this type of arrangement cannot exist in the brokerage world. Because of this limitation, a team is simply a group of agents within a firm that has chosen to pool their resources. As a legal matter, an agent who is part of a team does not work for that team, but instead works for the brokerage firm. Realtors who are part of a team or brokerage firms who have teams should keep in mind the following parameters. There can be no independent contractor agreement between a team and a real estate licensee. Real estate agents work for the broker through whom they are licensed. Two or more agents within a firm can decide to work together, advertise together, and/or share expenses. But as a legal matter, they remain separate agents within the brokerage firm. Listing contracts and buyer-broker contracts should not list the team as a party or be signed by an agent as a representative of a team. Agency contracts should be signed by individual licensees as representatives of the broker. A salesperson cannot be paid by the team. Team members can direct the broker as to how the commission should be allocated among the team members, but the payment must come directly from the broker. Agency disclosure forms should not be filled out in the name of the team. If more than one team member will be working with a particular client, each licensee should be listed by name in both the designated agency agreement and the agency disclosure form. Now, this is not necessary in a traditional agency office because, as a matter of law, every agent within the firm has an agency relationship with the client. When advertising in the team name, Realtors should remember the occupational code rules on advertising. The team name cannot be more prominent than the name of the brokerage firm and must contain the phone number or address of the brokerage firm. A team cannot hire a licensed assistant. Licensed assistants must be licensed through the broker and paid by the broker. The members of the team may reimburse the broker for the cost of a licensed assistant. Since a team is not a legal entity, it cannot employ an unlicensed assistant either. The broker may employ the unlicensed assistant. Alternatively, one of the members of the team may employ the unlicensed assistant. Another possibility would be to set up a separate legal entity to act as the employer of the unlicensed assistant. In any of these scenarios, the members of the team may reimburse the employer for the cost of an unlicensed assistant. A broker cannot delegate its supervisory responsibilities to a team leader. In the end, it is the broker, not the team leader, who is responsible for the actions of the members of the team. Now to summarize, Realtors should keep in mind that from a legal standpoint, a team is not a subsidiary of the broker, but more like a department. In other words, teams are people who work together in an effort to maximize their resources. From the standpoint of license law, the team is not legally recognized, and the members of the team are licensees who work for, are paid by, and are the responsibility of the broker. I hope you have found this segment helpful. While teamwork may well make the dream work, it is always best to research and refine the way a brokerage handles teams. Reacting to a bad situation, as opposed to being proactive with the organization and structure of a team, can be costly. As usual, we'll be looking for your feedback for future installments, so please send those thoughts to the email appearing on the screen or embedded in the video description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.